Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a lightweight data interchange format. It's plain text written in JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is used to send data between computers. It's a language independent. It means you can import JSON data in any of the language and make use of it. So here we have sample.json file, and for this video I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my code editor. Let me increase the size of my editor. Alright, that looks cool. So if you need to learn more about VS Code, you can watch my VS based series and find the links in the description below. So this is a JSON syntax. The data is specified in key and value pairs, both within quotes and enclosed in curly braces. Notice that we have strings. The value can be in numbers. It can be Boolean, whether true or false. Or we have whole object, or it can be an array. Now let's say you receive this data in your index.html as we have right here, and define that data within a variable. You can further manipulate that data. Let's come in here and first let me show you this file in browser. Let's go live. So here is our index.html. Let me keep both my browser and editor side by side. Alright, and I'm also gonna open Chrome DevTools and click console. And if you need to learn more about Chrome DevTools, you can watch my Chrome DevTool based series and find the links in the description below. So let's say you receive this data in index.html. Let's type in here script, and as you start typing, if you're using Visual Studio Code, you get these suggestions powered by EMMET. And if you need to learn more about EMMET, you can watch my EMMET based series and find the links in the description below. Let's click here, and I'm gonna type in here const text, and I'm gonna add, say you receive all of this data from the server and keep this data within this variable, say text. Now let's log this data in our console. Type in here log and text, hit save, and you get all of this data in the form of text. Now in JavaScript you can parse this data and make a JavaScript object. Let's come in here and go to the next line, and I'm gonna define another variable here, say const obj equals, and I'm gonna call in here a method JSON dot parse parenthesis text. And now let's, by the way, if you need to learn more about JavaScript objects, you can watch my JavaScript object based video and find the link in the description below. obj and hit save. Now notice that we now have an object. And that was all about JavaScript JSON. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.